In this guide, we will voice our own and market's opinion on Link future while discussing Chainlink price forecast for 2021 and beyond. Please bear in mind that you should take this and any other prediction with a grain of salt, since predicting anything is a thankless task, let alone predicting the future of a novel, highly volatile financial asset like Link. Now, let's head into it. Before we delve deep into the Chainlink price prediction and answer questions if Chainlink is a good investment or not, why will Link succeed or fail, or why will Link price rise or drop, let's quickly throw a glance at what is Chainlink and its to-date history. You can buy, trade and stake Chainlink on many exchanges, including the leading platforms like eToro, Coinbase, and Binance. Chainlink platform acts as a decentralized oracle network which allows anyone to become an oracle, a provider of a data feed in exchange for Link tokens. The Chainlink platform includes certification, validation and reputation services that enforce the integrity of the network's oracles. Chainlink is known in crypto circles as a project that keeps things hush until they have something real to offer. They are notorious for their weak communication with the public. The team works hard on building a good product without hype, lines up users that are waiting on its release. Chainlink is consistently selected as one of the top blockchain technologies by leading independent research firms, such as Gartner. It is well known for providing highly secure and reliable oracles to both large enterprises and leading smart contract development teams. General market movements and sentiment shift. The downfall of altcoins that were mainstream media darlings at the start of the year, Link among them, can be attributed, in part, to novice investors getting scared off once the bear market kicked in with a vengeance. Every resurgence of Bitcoin in recent period was met with the, for the most part, inability of altcoins to rally with it. Reason for that can be rookie investors learning from their mistakes, while smart money that was previously watching from the sidelines has begun to enter into Bitcoin. These entities weren't about to buy BTC when it was trading at an all-time high, but they'll take a look now, having missed the boat the first time around. None of them, it seems, are interested in altcoins, however, despite the fact that many are trading at a 5x discount. Institutional investors may be cautious, but they're not foolish. How to evaluate fundamentals of a crypto project? We should consider crypto valuations like educated gambling, a prediction market where we are betting on the odds of project and token success. There are some catalysts of success we can identify. Project success drivers. Real user traction is the most important driver of success. That is what most of holders call adoption. If people start using certain crypto project because they find it useful and it makes their life easier, that is a guarantee of success. So far, almost no crypto project can claim to have done so. Strong financial war chest that will enable teams behind the project to develop their visions. Incentivize other developers to join them and start using their product is also a crucial aspect of any project. Tied into it is treasury management, especially for the project that had big ICO proceeds. Temptation to squander all those millions into conferences and events was massive, especially if we consider that majority of token projects' founders were no names and ordinary employees that worked for a paycheck before the ICO fairy tale happened to them. Another adoption indicator, network effects, where every additional user of a good or service adds to the value of that product to others. When a network effect is present, the value of a product or service increases according to the number of others using it. If you can objectively notice that your favorite token project has some of these traits happening for it, be happy, you might have found a winner. Token success drivers. Token success is completely dependent on tokenomics. As defined by infloat.co, tokenomics involves the incentivization of certain stakeholders to ensure particular behavior. So, tokenomics is essentially an incentive structure designed to ensure that a token has a purpose and utility within its native network. It is the study of how tokens work within the broader ecosystem that can be considered as a sovereign microeconomy. This includes such things like token distribution as well as how they can be used to incentivize positive behavior in the network. For example, Bitcoin is designed to ensure that Bitcoin miners have a reason to mine new Bitcoin. Miners validate Bitcoin transactions and receive newly minted Bitcoin in the process. On the other hand, individuals, businesses and other Bitcoin users pay a transaction fee for miners to include their transaction in the next block. This ensures that even when all Bitcoin have been minted, Bitcoin miners are still incentivized to keep mining. To paraphrase all of the above in the simplest terms, if you, after weeks of research and reading, can't figure out why the project needs to have a token, it probably doesn't. So why does the token exist then? Our Link price prediction 2021. Link, as the rest of the market, is tied at the hip of Bitcoin's price action. If Bitcoin embarks on another bull run, Link can hope for one as well. Bitcoin usually has a cool-off phase after its mega bull runs, and that is when the altcoins take over and have a field day with the bulls, often doubling or tripling their price within days. With the pandemic breakout, the world was sent into hibernation for a couple of months, and it reflected negatively on the cryptocurrencies, sending Bitcoin downhill as we witnessed even 40% daily losses. However, situation quickly stabilized and Bitcoin as the flag bearer took the crypto market back up. We are in a major bull run since the summer, and if we are listening to the analytics from social media and journalistic desks, we are far away from its local zenith. What this means for Chainlink price in 2021. As long as Bitcoin is in the main role and pulling upwards, there is little room for Link to shine. It will, however, increase its USD-denominated value thanks to the overall rise in crypto prices. Nevertheless, Link to BTC ratio will probably slump, possibly to all-time lows. This means that it is best to keep your funds in Bitcoin until it reaches its provisional peak, opening the doors for the altcoins to enter the scene. Chainlink will be among the top candidates to record big gains, as the money usually flows from Bitcoin profits to blue-chip altcoins and big-cap coins before trickling down to the less-known and smaller projects. The majority of projects will fail. Some startups are created just to gather funds and disappear. Some would not handle the competition, but most are just ideas that look good on paper, but in reality are useless for the market. All of this summed up means one thing: Link might live through a couple of orchestrated and, for a regular trader, completely unpredictable pumps, but the majority of time will be murky sideways trading with small volume and no significant interest from the market. Price will heavily depend on what BTC will do, and since many analysts think BTC will not be making big moves in this year, it is hard to expect Link will do them either. The price will probably stagnate and record slow-moving depreciation or appreciation depending on the team activity, potential technological breakthrough, or high-level partnership. Chainlink price prediction 2021. With the market being completely unpredictable, forecasting the cryptocurrency price is really more of a gamble and luck rather than a data-driven guesstimate. Let's throw a glance at the eminent publications and personalities and their predictions regarding the Chainlink price, which will give us another point of view to consider. Trading Beasts. Trading Beasts have given Link prediction on monthly basis, and they have forecasted that by the end of 2021, Chainlink might reach $200.78 to the maximum and $100.53 to the minimum. Read our updated guide on best Link wallets. CoinFan. CoinFan is good at giving optimistic numbers and has predicted that by the end of 2021, Link might reach $230.18, which is way more bullish and optimistic a prediction. They have even forecasted that by 2023, Link might reach as much as $300, which is an unbelievable prediction.